Yeah. I like my little step stool, and I like the one with the wider steps. The thinner ones, I hate those. They get my feet tired, and sometimes I have a hard time balancing on them and stuff, okay? I used to do, like I said, I used to do this all off a 6-foot ladder, then I have to move the ladder back and forth, back and forth, and all that. Now, see, I'm plenty high on here. Okay, now I'm gonna get this caulking off. Like that. See, it's kind of thick at the bottom, so you can do one pass and then come back and clean it up. Because you might think, okay, I'm going to just go straight, I don't have to do that, and then all of a sudden you're digging deeper and deeper into the wood trim. That's a no-no. Okay. Now I can come back the outside a little bit. Gently get off a little bit of the excess, and then that'll be filled back up when I put the new caulking on. All right. Okay, see, I started to hit the wood. I go up instead of down right there. I can go this way and come here and go up that way right there. Now the top. Get your little inside corners out of there. And the top I had up nice and tight, so wasn't much caulking up there. But there was enough. And see, I'm noticing this trim's just a little bit loose, but once I put the housing in, as long as it's down tight, hopefully I won't have to put a nail in it or anything. And then once I caulk this, when the caulking dries, it's not going anywhere. You know, the trim's not going to go anywhere because the caulking is going to hold the trim. All right, Joe. Oh. This one's got a little bit extra buildup because it was close to the wall here. It was hard for the last person to caulk it in, but you don't really see that as much. Okay, and I'm still going to take off a little, best I can here, and that's all you can do. Just do the best you can, work with what you got. Okay, looking at that, everything looks good. I'm ready for the next one. Here's my little weather stripping. I might use that again, but for the time being, I'm going to take it out so that you don't get confused by the process. Okay, there. Wow, I got a lot going on in this room, huh? Here's that unit there, the housing, and here's the insert down there. There's the insert over there for this housing. So I'm going to rearrange this room a little bit, and I'm not going to get too worked up. I'm going to work on one air conditioner at a time. I've got 2 air conditioners here. That's why I've moved everything kind of out of the way. I had to move the armoire this way a little bit so I can sneak around that to work. I moved the dining or the coffee table over, so I had like a little area. This is my work station, my staging area. Okay, get set up before you start.